right, little dragons, let's come to attention. All right, repeat after Sensei. Say, focus your eyes, focus your mind, and focus your body. Awesome. All right, now let's do an awesome, respectful bow because the martial arts begins with respect and ends with respect. All right, so to start out, what we're going to do is we're going to run in place. Now, when I say stop, you got to stop really fast. No wobbling or falling over. You got to stop. Put the brakes on. Are you ready? Here we go. Stop. And go. Stop. One more time. Make sure you're following closely here. Go. Stop. Excellent. All right, so now everyone, we're going to do our jumping jacks. All right, so with 10 of them, here we go. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back to attention. And let's do 5 more. Ready? And 1, make the arrow, make the stick. And 2, arrow, stick. 3, arrow, stick. And 4, arrow, stick. And one more good one, and arrow, and stick. Awesome. All right, now grab this leg and hold it up. Balance. Ooh, nice. Other side, balance. Very good. All right, let's go hands up on hips, feet apart. Let's look up and down and say, yes, Mom, I'll do that right away. Side to side, no, Dad, I'll never do that again. Excellent. All right, now let's swing our arms around in circles. Go backwards. Very good, and back to attention. All right, now let's go to our horse stance. We're going to practice our double roof block. Ready? 1, and down. 2, 3, 4. And the last one, give me a loud karate shout. And 5. Please. Excellent job. All right, now we'll just do one side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me a loud shout. 5. Please. All right, let's make it even. We got to work that other side. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Loud shout. 5. Oos. And back to attention. Excellent job, everybody. All right, so now we're going to do our punches. So we'll go to our horse stance. We'll start with a double-fisted punch, just like that, and then pull back really fast. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Okay, now 2 with a loud shout. Ready? 1, ice. 2, ice. Excellent. All right, now we'll do our one hand only, and then the other side. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Now 2 with a loud shout. Ready? And 1, ice. 2, ice. And back to attention. Good work, everybody. All right, we're going to do a basic karate kick as the front kick. All right, so we'll start with our left foot forward, right foot back. Lift the leg up, kick out, and back down. A little faster. And 1, 2. Now give me a loud karate shout on 3. Ice. All right, let's work the other side. Make it even. And 1, 2. All right, loud karate shout. 3. Ice. And then back to attention. All right, so what we're going to practice next, everybody, is our listening and learning. All right, so when I say duck, you're going to duck. When I say jump, you can jump really super duper high. And I'm going to grab this right here, the blocker. So every time you see this thing come near your head, you got to duck low. And then when you see it near your feet, you got to jump up really high. So let's come to attention and do your karate bow. Okay, here we go. Ready? And duck. Duck. Jump. 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 Duck. Duck. All right, watch out for the blender. Duck really low. And up. And one more time. This time, Sensei's not going to say anything. You got to watch closely. Focus your eyes. Ready? And jump. Duck. Duck. Ooh, no words. And finish strong. And back to attention. And bow. Good, everybody. Sensei Dan's going to put this away. All right, and we'll do one more awesome focus drill. All right, we got a blue pad, and then what color is this? Red. So when you see the blue one, you'll punch with that side. When you see the red one, you'll punch with that side. All right, you ready? And get fast. One more. And break. And bow. All right, Lil Dragons, thank you for watching me, and make sure you practice, because practice makes permanent.